I'm going to be marking up this drawing to demolish the staff room area and add a cafe area with an espresso bar. I'm going to start by adding a revision cloud. I switch to the markup layer using the layer drop-down list on the home ribbon. The revision cloud tool is located on the Annotate tab of the ribbon. On the RevCloud flyout, I have three options: polygonal, rectangular, and freehand. I select the polygonal revision cloud. I select some points to define the shape of my polygon. Once I have defined the boundary for my RevCloud, I right-click and select Enter. I'm going to place another RevCloud using the rectangular option. I select the rectangular RevCloud control. For the rectangular RevCloud control, instead of having to select a series of points, you just need to select 2 points, just like creating a rectangle. I'm going to convert an ellipse to a RevCloud using the object method. First, I return to the Home tab on the ribbon and select the ellipse command. I place an ellipse over this wall by selecting a center point and then an end point. I select another point to set the width of the ellipse. I right-click and select Recent Input RevCloud. I select the arc length option on the command prompt. I set a minimum arc length of 100. The maximum arc length has to be no more than 3 times the minimum arc length value. So I type 300 and press Enter. I then select the Object option on the command prompt. I select the ellipse to convert the ellipse to a RevCloud. I select No to reverse the direction. To modify a RevCloud, I repeat the RevCloud command. I select the Modify option. I then draw a new boundary for the RevCloud. I am prompted for a side to erase. I select the portion of the RevCloud to be erased. AutoCAD prompts me if I want to reverse the direction of the RevCloud. If I select Yes, notice that the arcs will invert. I want to add a revision tag. I can use the multi-leader tool to add a revision tag. First, I'm going to create a new multi-leader style. I select the small arrow in the Leaders panel on the Annotate tab. I select the New button. I type Rev Tag for the new style name. I select the Continue button. I activate the Content tab. I select Block under Source Block. I select Triangle. I select OK. The current multi-leader style is displayed as RevTag, and the preview window displays what the RevTag is going to look like. I select Close to close the dialog box. I select the multi-leader tool from the ribbon.